Netgear Genie download. Go to the Netgear website, visit Netgear's official website for secure and latest software downloads. Navigate to the Support section, look for Support in the menu, where Netgear provides software downloads and documentation. Search for Netgear Genie, type Netgear Genie in the search bar to quickly locate the correct software page. Select the download option, find the appropriate download link for the Netgear Genie app on the page. Choose the correct operating system. Netgear Genie is available for both Windows and Mac. Select the one that matches your device. Click the Download button. Click on Download to begin the installation file download for your selected operating system. Open the downloaded file. Once downloaded, open the file to start the installation process. Follow the installation instructions. A setup wizard will guide you through the installation steps. Accept the terms and follow prompts. Launch Netgear Genie. Once installed, open Netgear Genie from your desktop or applications to begin managing your network.